Hi, it's me, Courtney, and today I'm going to show you how to get your hair from this to this. Just kidding. We're going to use this headband to create natural curls without having to use any heating devices. So you're going to start out taking a small section and looping it through the headband, and then you're going to combine that with another section, and you're going to loop that up and through the headband like so. And you're just going to keep repeating this process until you've made it to the back. I like to twist mine a little bit before tucking it. It just gives a little bit of an added curl. Don't worry about it being perfect. Perfection does not exist. We're just trying to get as close as we can. And then you're going to go to the other side and repeat the process. Just twist the small grouping of hair and twist it, tuck it up under the headband, and move on to a new section and repeat. And we're going to work our way down the other side of the head again until you get to the back. Now you can do this whole process with either damp hair or completely dry hair. I have tried it with my hair wet, fresh out of the shower, and unless you want to wear your hair like this for at least 2 days, it tends to come out a little too damp and not near as curly when I do it with all of my hair wet. So if you just want to spritz it with some light water, or again, just completely dry, it works either way. And then once we get to the back, we're going to twist our last 2 strands together and then roll it up around your finger, and then you can just tuck it in to the back part of that headband. It might take a little maneuvering just to get it all tucked up in there. Once you think it's all good, you just want to go over all of it and make sure it feels, for the most part, tight and secure. And next, we're going to use bobby pins. Depending on how much hair you have, you could use anywhere from 4 to 24 hairpins here. I just like to try and go along both sides and just get most of it secure in there. You don't have to go too crazy with it. And we're going to work our way around the back. The back tends to need a few more hairpins than the sides, since you've tucked all of that extra hair in the center there. And might as well add a couple more, just for giggles. And that's it. Once you're happy. happy with it, douse your head in hairspray. We want it to stay. Then go to sleep. Sweet dreams. And then the next morning when you wake up and you have done your makeup, it is time to unwrap the hair and unleash the curls. It's okay if you miss a couple bobby pins. I promise you, almost every time I ever have done this, I tend to at least miss one or two. You'll figure it out real quick. Ooh. And then we start unrolling the curls. So much curl. This is my absolute most favorite way to attain curls because one, you're not having to heat your hair with a curling iron or a flat iron or even hot rollers. It's fairly comfortable. These headbands aren't uncomfortable. They're very flexible. I normally will sleep in mine. Some days I will even go the next day wearing my hair up in the headband because it's so comfortable. And then I will take it out of the headband for awesome curls for later that evening. They might get a little twisted, that's okay. Ha, see, I told you I'd find one. And we're just gonna keep unrolling those curls out of the headband. I assure you, when I am not on camera, it is not this pretty when this happens. And we're stuck again. You just kind of have to work it out. Again, this doesn't always happen either, but of course, this time it's going to. And there's one side. Hey, hey. So then you want to work the other side out. Almost there. I know, the anticipation's killing you. Oh. Oh. Almost. Ah. Freedom. And then I take my fingers and I just run it through the curls and I try to work my fingers up into the curls to loosen them up. As you can see, there are a ton of curls. And something I didn't mention before, the smaller strands, the kinkier curls you're gonna have. And that is it. Absolutely luxurious curls. Thank you for watching. Check back later for tutorials. I post them regularly.